What are some common uses for corn flour and cornmeal?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore the versatility of two popular ingredients, corn flour and cornmeal. These pantry staples have a wide variety of uses in culinary traditions worldwide.
What is corn flour?
Corn flour is a fine powder made from grinding whole corn kernels. It comes in yellow and white varieties, depending on the corn used. It's often used as a thickening agent in many recipes. It's also a staple in gluten-free baking, due to its mild flavor and light texture. Common uses for corn flour include 1. Thickening soups and sauces. Corn flour is often used to thicken soups and sauces due to its smooth texture and ability to blend easily. 2. Baking. In gluten-free baking, corn flour can be used as an alternative to wheat flour. It imparts a light texture and a sweet, corn-like flavor. 3. Batter. Corn flour makes for a crispy coating when frying foods like chicken, fish, or vegetables.
What is cornmeal?
Cornmeal, on the other hand, is ground-dried corn, but it's typically coarser than corn flour. It's a key ingredient in many traditional dishes, from Italian polenta to American cornbread. Typical uses for cornmeal include 1. Baking. Cornmeal is commonly used in baking breads, muffins, and cakes. For example, cornbread, a classic American dish, gets its unique texture and flavor from cornmeal. 2. Polenta and grits. Cornmeal is the main ingredient in polenta, an Italian dish, and grits, a southern U.S. staple. 3. Coating. Due to its coarse texture, cornmeal can be used as a crunchy coating for fried or baked foods. 4. Pizza dough. Sprinkling cornmeal on the baking surface before adding the dough prevents sticking and adds a deliciously crunchy crust. Corn flour and cornmeal are indeed versatile ingredients in our kitchens, contributing to a variety of delicious dishes across cultures. Whether it's adding a crunchy coating to your fried foods or thickening a hearty soup, these corn products certainly have their unique and valuable uses in cooking. So, the next time you're whipping up a meal, why not give them a try? We hope this video has been helpful. Happy cooking!